Before we start this rant, to anyone who likes this show, I can handle your opinion. Anyways, let's start this rant. Chainsaw Man? No. More like Washing Men. Oh my god, this show sucks. This show about these craziest known for the cartoon characters in Chainsaw, and they like to go on failure missions. Denji is so crazy. I bet if you ask him what's 100 divided by 10, then he would say that it's 10. Power isn't annoying. Mikima is a liar because she wants to be freedom for the office. Aki is a dumb. Poshita is stupid as well, and as for Kishib, Kobeni, Arari, Himeno, and the other characters, well, no one really gives a crap about them. Not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9 either, not even 10, not even 100, not even 1,000, not even 100,000, not even 1 million, billion, trillion, quadrillion, and not even infinity. You can't tell that no one gives a crap about the rest of the characters. It's because they're not in this picture. They also got a sequel of the movie called Chainsaw Man the Movie, Res Arcade. Chainsaw Man the Movie, Res Arcade? No, more like Washing Man the Movie, tip of the iceberg. This movie sucks. The animation is crap. The stories are lame. The music is boring. The song is a trash. The theme song is garbage. The voice actor are unprofessional. And the characters are crazy. I hope these show gets cancelled for all time. Who likes the show? PTBF 2002, probably Melody, Mysteria, Nakashi, and Lyric is green. But I can handle your opinion on that show. Who hates the show? Me, Alice the Robocar Poli fan, Emily Chin the Legend of Spark and Murder Drones fan 2011, and Thomas Dillon. We hate that show. So screw Chainsaw Man. I don't know what is going to sucks. Link click is 743,186,421,725 times better than Chainsaw Man. End of rant.